USAR Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at USA Rare Earth stock. What am I talking about? It is 12.5% down. I'm just going to zoom out and look at the broader picture, broader scope of things. It's a big range to the downside, and I didn't want to be that guy, but it's just the truth. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space on this YouTube channel, and generally speaking, just gonna mark the lows out here. We got this. So only and only if I see the price, yeah, already it's not looking good. It's already not looking good. Only if I see a double break am I gonna look to take things down. If there's no confirmation, then there's just no way that I'm gonna look to short, if you know what I mean. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next one.